Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera not focusing in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, first off camera. Open setting. Now in settings scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app search camera app. Now click on camera. Now here you will see force stop, and if you want to force stop, then click on force stop. After click on force stop, camera force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, enable touch autofocus. Open camera, click on setting, scroll down, and now here you will see enable autofocus. And now turn on this button. After turning on this button, enable autofocus from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset camera setting. Again open camera. Again click on setting, scroll down, click on reset, and again click on reset. After click on reset, camera setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix camera not focusing in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.